Stop blaming your camera for bad videos. The problem could be bad lighting. Let me explain. Cameras, whether a smartphone camera or a professional camera, all have one thing in common. They capture the light in front of them. Just light. That means if your subject is well lit up, the camera will capture more details and give you the crisp, clear videos you want. As a self-taught video creator, I struggled with bad videos for a very long time. I used to say I need a very good smartphone to record high quality, crisp, clear videos. But I learned this one secret, that with sufficient light, even my current smartphone can record crisp, clear videos that people love to watch. In this video, let me show you my budget-friendly light setup that I use to shoot clean, crisp, clear videos for my clients' businesses and even my own videos, just like this one. My light setup requires only 3 lights, and everything I'm going to mention in this video is available for purchase at our store with massive discounts for this Christmas season. Light number 1 is the main light, or what others like to call the key light. This is my main source of light, and it alone lights up my entire studio. It stands at 45 degrees angle to my right hand side, creating this cinematic effect on my face. I use the YM600SS as the light source and the soft grid box to cast out shadows and keep the light soft to sunny or warm light. It also has several lighting modes that I choose from basing on the client's goal. I can set it to slow fade, party mode, or even constant lighting depending on the needs of the client. Light number 2 is what I call the rim light. Other people call it the fill light, which simply lights up the shadows on my left hand side created by the main light on the right. I set the fill light slightly opposite to the color temperature of the main light to create that good contrast between colors on my face. This fill light is at 45 degrees angle of my left hand side, but I adjust it according to the needs. It's an RGB light, and this is how it looks when all other lights are off, and this is how it looks when other lights are on. Light number 3 is what I call the background light, sometimes called the practical light. This one is placed just behind to separate me from the rest of the background. It's also an RGB light to allow me set up the desired colors depending on my client's brand colors or even the mood at that particular time, and it adds on the cinematic effect you see in the background. I never really used to use it so much, but over time I never want to shoot a video without one. So this is my budget-friendly light setup that I use and recommend to most beginners who are starting out in content creation. I've recommended this combo to several creators and they simply love it. And for a limited time, you can order for this combo and get it delivered at your doorstep. If you have any questions for me, drop them in the comments below and I'll tag you in the next video. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace. See you in the next one.